Love should be easy. Why should it not?
Solem asks, what's the worst Japanese dish you have ever had? Worst Japanese dish I've ever had. I think like there's a lot of bad Japanese dishes because I'm not a fish person. But I think the worst ones like in my memory are the ones where I thought it was something else and I was enjoying it. And then I found out it wasn't what I thought it was. Like, for example, very early on in my marriage, my wife had made it. It's only a Japanese dish because my wife made it and she's Japanese. But she had made this pasta dish. And it was so good. It was like the best pasta. And I was like, oishii kore. And then I was like, these black potatoes are interesting, is what I said. Kono kuroi jagaimo omoshiroi ne. And she's like, jagaimo janai desu. It's not jagaimo. Nan desu ka? Nasu desu. It's eggplant. Eggplant? Oh, I don't like eggplant. And I had literally eaten like 3/4 of it. And then I couldn't eat anymore. The fact that I found out it was eggplant and not potato, I had to give it back. I couldn't eat it anymore. That's it. Like mentally, it was wrong for me. Another time, I was eating what I thought to be the best miso shiru ever that my wife had made. It was really good miso shiru. The stock of the soup was just good. I was really enjoying it. And I come up to like one of the last bites, and I see, what are they called? Niboshi or something? In the dashi. Niboshi, this little dried fish head that she had forgotten to take out. Apparently there's always been fish heads in the dashi, in the miso soup, but I didn't know that because normally she removes them for me because she knows I don't like fish. But she missed one, and I did not eat her miso for an entire year. An entire year. So anytime I'm tricked, or anytime no, that's it. Anytime I'm tricked, I'm pretty sure that's when I don't like. Tricked or like, okay, one more time. So I'm eating curry, right? And I told this story before, but I'm eating curry. It was the best. It was really good curry. I was like, this curry is so good. I'm loving it, right? And again, it's always at the end that I realize these things. And then I noticed there's shrimp in the curry. Yeah, I can't. I had to go home. Like, it was disgusting. I don't like seafood, if you can tell. Or vegetables.